Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ko bajam, taksaw point rimlak. Just wow.
Ka tanat textile jong ka sorkar jala kala Rakhe ya ka National Handloom Day ka bakhat a Risai Integrated Textile Tourism Complex nongpo. Ha kani ka jing Rakhe la pensngau ya ka jing don kam gi giant thain kiti kham tame ya ka rindia ka badai ka dak jong ka jinglong tanrai. U kongsan ha kani ka si ude u menteri rangba ka jala u konrad ki sangma badla don lang u menteri ka tanat textile u ba medba lingdo u emily ka nongpo u ba meral bonds em u chief secretary u Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed bad ki weipat ki he sarkar.
Something goes wrong, don't blame me later. We're used to be getting blamed, so that's why.
These are the looms which are there in the laboratory. So the students actually work on this table loom and they have prepared these swatches. This all is prepared by students.
Great.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to each one of you for National Handloom Day 2010.
This come all the way from Textile, sir. This is
Sasangani. Pade sungina. Manda vi. Saingan na dia.
Mama saingan dia.
Bisa kumur makan. Uncle ha. Talking about one person, we both know. She's not well. He's not well. She says, no, he's better now. And as you're aware that today is the National Handloom Day. And we have got our weavers and different stakeholders from different parts who have joined us. And right here, right now, I'm with our self-help groups and with the theme of Har Ghar Tiranga. In this fly shuttle loom, they are weaving the national flag. So it's a great day and great way to have give tribute to our weavers as well as to our great nation.
In charge textile, sir. We have seen there are 4 stages: rearing, spinning, dyeing and weaving. With regards to weaving, almost all infrastructure weavers has been handhold. With regard to dyeing, we have natural dyeing by various weavers and artisans within this area. But now I'm concerned about the first 2 stages, that is rearing and spinning. It is no use that we have all sophisticated machinery if we don't have the roots where the production of cocoon is not in a large scale. So my point here is that to reiterate the government and the department to ensure that maximum hand-holding funding to ensure that we'll produce more cocoon. There should be a cocoon bank within this area. This initiative is very important so that will ensure that that cocoon which we produce from here, it will be here. In the second part is like this spinning mill. We have one in Bohermbong. I have told to my fellow weavers that we produce cocoon from here, we sell it to Assam. And the same thread they produce, we bought again here. It is like that. So we should have from stage 1, 2, 3, 4. Cocoon from here, we have the bank, then it will go to the spinning mill, then we can have natural dyeing, then weaving part, the 4th part. It will be a complete part.
Of the people of our state, be it the Garos, the Jaintias and the Khasis, are being recognized through this very important day. Textile has stepped in. That's why as a department we felt that just celebrating 7th of August is not enough. Let us this year have a week-long celebration to recognize the hard work and the culture that we have in our state, to those who are the weavers, the farmers, and all who are the part of this indigenous industries. Sir, we are glad. In fact, we missed you last year during the inauguration of the integrated textile tourism complex here for some unavoidable circumstances from your part. We are glad that the Honorable Union Minister, Mr. Giriraj Singh, has come and be with us during that inauguration part of this ITTC complex, where we have put forward him looking for his support with your guidance to set up a separate Weavers Service Center here in Nongpo. And on the spot, the Honorable Union Minister has agreed in principle to accept our request and our case, and the department have moved ahead to ensure that the process of the same is being taken up at the earliest. Nevertheless, the whole objective of this Weavers Service Center is to have a one-stop help desk for all the farmers, the weavers of the entire state. Because till now, we have to move down to Assam, Guwahati, but to ease and to give that service close to the farmers, close to the weavers of the state. This center will definitely serve the purpose of all that we are trying to do.
Apart from our culture and our identity, lies the livelihood that we are trying to protect and that we are trying to promote. I have said this many times in the past, in the past, that for us as a government, we are not here to do really different innovative things. We're not here to change the goalpost, as we say it. But within the given circumstances that we have, the given structures that we have, the different areas where we already have a certain experience and advantage, how can we take it to the next level? Whether it's the Lakadong turmeric, which has already got the brand that the world recognizes. I don't want to start another product and then again work towards building the whole infrastructure, the ecosystem, and then go forward and try to create something new. It takes a lot of time. It's easier to pick up what is already happening, improve the functioning, invest in training, improve the technology, bring experts into the system, improve the marketing channels, and take things forward. And therefore, this model that I'm just sharing with you, of taking what is already existing and then creating that ecosystem around it by pushing entrepreneurs, by pushing training, by pushing technology, by bringing in different marketing aspects, so on and so forth. So whether it's Lakadong, turmeric, today it has grown by 20 times of what it used to be. The same farmer who used to sell 30,000 rupees of Lakadong at one point in time, who is again very close friend of our Chief Secretary, and our Chief Secretary has been very instrumental in helping her and her family. That same farmer who sold Lakadong worth 30,000 rupees in a year back in 2015, 16, 17, today crosses 2 crores a year in the Lakadong turmeric sale that she has, and she's selling her products all the way to Japan, to UAE, to Europe, you name the market. And a similar cycle is what we have done for honey, for black pepper, for our mushrooms, and so on and so forth. We have created that market and that system and ecosystem. And not only are we trying to do that for products to send abroad, but within our own ecosystem, within our own state, within our own market that we have, there is huge demand. And we're not able to meet our own demand. In fact, we're getting products from outside. I think somebody was mentioning just now. So therefore, when you look at all of these opportunities that exist, the gap lies in just connecting those dots. And government plays a very important role in that. The department plays a very important role in that. We set the vision, as I keep saying. We set the vision, but it can't happen if the stakeholders and experts and entrepreneurs and officials, if all of them don't connect, and the viewers of course, then it will not take off.
Ili mem yor aim gini kon me. Pai upon kelas tenu chong tangga college stage nem yo.
Le me stage nem le tangga we kon buat. Tito.
Jadi kasi yang kayak bisa orang aing modal.
Oh, bisa.
Pinai wan ai bam sien ai ta papacho. Families to that means right. For it.
Ông ném vụ quay nhà khmat đó, vụ tê tàu tràn bò rừng khlev.
Hey, pass your first division ah. Oh, babe.
Congratulations,
Thank you, babe.